Oh, I had a boyfriend in Australia many years ago. Oh, I shouldn't say that. That makes me sound really old. Okay, wait. A while ago. I'm talking in many years terms. I've really hit 25. I really don't like this at all. Okay, a while ago, I had a boyfriend in Australia. His name was Federico, and he made me feel very special. I think the only boyfriend that I've ever had that made me feel very special for Valentine's was him. He gave me a card. I swear it was this big. It was from the ground up to here. That big. It's huge. And it was signed by him, and then he put balloons in the car, so when I opened the door, all the balloons flew out. He gave me soft toys and perfumes and chocolates, and he took me out for dinner. And we were quite young then, so I don't know where he got the money from, but good for him.
Okay, what's the worst thing that happened to you on Valentine's Day?
I didn't receive anything. I was very unloved one Valentine's Day. Yeah, not even a rose.
Okay, your first Valentine gift.
My first Valentine gift was, I think my first Valentine's, in Australian school, basically they sell roses on Valentine's Day. So I think that's when your crushes will buy you the rose and give it to you. So that's what happened to me, my first gift.
Your 5 must-to-do list for your man on Valentine.
For him to do for me?
You would do for him.
Oh, what I would do for him? Get him a good gift, take him out for dinner, go dancing somewhere romantic, maybe give him a massage if he's lucky. I think spend the whole day laughing, or maybe even go by the pool. That would be fun.
Okay, it's just a general question. Do you think for Ash and Abhishek, is it going to be a chal tagni and a quick marriage?
You know what? I will not comment on that because I'm not in their relationship. I don't know. I think if they're engaged, that means they're obviously in love with one another. And I wish them all the very best. And I think they make a super couple. And you know what? Everyone should just leave them alone and let them live a happy life if they want to.